Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this look that I'm currently rocking. So today we're featuring Nadula hair. Big shout out to Nadula hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we have a 5x5 kinky straight lace closure wig. Love a good closure wig. This is an HD lace and we're going to install her glueless. So now to get into this unit does come with clips inside, and it also has an adjustable strap that you can take out if you desire. This is an average size cap, which did fit fairly well. Also, this is 24 inches as stated, but it is definitely giving 26 inches. It is a long wig and I absolutely love that. As far as the density, I'll have the exact specs here on the screen so you can reference, but this hair was very full. Even when I turn around and you see the back of the wig, you cannot see any of the track or the construction of the wig because it is very full, and this is also when the hair has been straightened. As far as the texture of this hair, this is a very nice kinky straight hair. This did come with those crinkles in there that kinky straight typically comes with, but I myself wanted to wear this straight. I know a lot of people don't like when you straighten the kinky straight hair, but typically when I wear my natural hair, I tend to straighten it, so this is just the look that I go for. But just for reference, I left one side of the hair in the blowout texture just so you can compare the two different textures. So this is what it looks like when it is just washed, blow dried, or rather washed and air dried, as opposed to air dried, flat irons, etc. So those are the two different looks. You can also curl this hair. That is one thing that I love about kinky straight texture. This texture allows you to try different hairstyles, and I love that. Very similar to our natural hair, so it would hold a really nice curl if that's what you're into. Myself, I decided to give a blowout look, somewhat of like a silk press. This hair does come out very silky, a lot of body. Can we get into the luster? This hair, after all this heat, is still very shiny and beautiful, and I love that. So definitely take notes of that. As stated, I did not use any adhesive for this wig. This is a complete glueless install, and that is the best part of a closure wig. Everything that you need to just switch up your look without the hassle and the commitment to glue or spray. Like, you don't need any of that. You can use that. That is definitely an option, but for those of you that like to switch your hairstyles in and out, and I'm saying, like, if you like to switch up your hair within a day, this is perfect for you, and it helps with preserving your hairline and your edges, so we have to love that. All the links for this particular unit will be down in the description box, as well as a discount code. It will be in the description box as well as the comment section, so definitely check that out. Shout out to Nadula hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching. Also stay tuned if you want to see how I style this hair aside from the regular center part. Keep in mind this is a 5x5, so you will be able to change this part. You can wear it down the center, to the left, to the right. You have versatility when it comes to parting as well. So thank you beauties for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.